It finally happened. Picasso broke 100,000 KSM contributions and is now sitting at over 107k. Absolutely amazing to still see a lot of demand on Kusama for the 12th auction. Only 1 day and 12 hours remain before Picasso will be announced the winner. BitCountry Pioneer have also broken 51.9k contributions, and I'm sure they're all very excited. I know, I've been bugging you with this again, but I have to say it in case new people see this. If you want to contribute to BitCountry Pioneer, we each get 2.5% referral bonus if you do decide to use my link down below, which can be found in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. I would very much appreciate it, so thank you in advance if you do. It will help support this channel. Quartz is closing in on 20,000 KSM. They didn't get that many new contributions yet, so we'll see if this changes once auction 13 begins. I do believe we'll see a battle very soon, be it in auction 14 or 15, but I think it will happen. Like, we'll have a proper battle between two participants where we'll keep everyone on the edge as to who the winner may be. Also, a nice surprise from the composable finance team. Well, I shouldn't really say it's a nice surprise because they did tell us this information before. It was well known on the website. You get a 5% bonus on lock now that they've surpassed 100k contributions, so that goes to every single person that has contributed. But I simply forgot about it, and it was definitely good to see this tweet. And also thanks to everyone who contributed using my ref link to Picasso. It has helped me a lot because you've helped me hit the 100 KSM referral contribution, and now I'll be getting a 20% bonus, so I very much appreciate that. And next, let's talk about Polkadex. Polkadex have tweeted something interesting, which is the staking APY on Substrate. Apparently, you can get over 80% APY. And I haven't personally staked any PDEX, but this 80% is huge, so I do wonder if it will last long or if it's because not many are currently staking and thus the reward is larger and then it's going to be evenly distributed, or maybe it's going to significantly drop as soon as more stakers jump in. I'm not sure about that. But also they've started off their beta tester program. I had registered to it to test their decks because I really like their decks and I wanted to test it out and see what it's like. But I've been swamped and I just didn't get a chance to do so on time. So if you have registered and tested it out, what do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to find out what is it like. And also, I've been meaning to do this for a while, but I'd like to give a shout out to Maria. She just recently hit 3,000 subscribers on her channel and has some good quality videos. She also created some stickers for my community to use on Telegram, which is really nice of her. I was also a guest on her channel a while back too to discuss Kusama, so if you're interested to watch that video, it should pop up on the top right hand corner of the screen if you're watching this on YouTube. Please go and give her a sub to support her channel and help convert her maybe to a Kusama fan too, though I have heard that she holds some Kusama, so she could already be considered converted. But next, before we move on, I'd like to thank today's video sponsors, Unique Network, for sponsoring this video, so let's watch this short clip. This video is sponsored by Unique Network. Unique Network is a scalable blockchain for composable NFTs with advanced economies. The NFT chain built for both Kusama and Polkadot. Their canary network, Quartz, are launching a Kusama Crowdloan, and you can pre-register to show your interest and be notified in advance. Unique Network and Quartz have some unique features to offer, such as flexible economic models, sustainable NFTs, complete customization, advanced ownership and management, NFT to NFT, scalability, and interoperability. Check out Unique Network from the link in the description of this video to find out more. Darwinia, what are they up to? I haven't checked up on them in a while, but as you probably know, their focus is mostly on that bridge and Evolution Land, of course, the game, the metaverse game, where you can win ring tokens in-game. They've actually gotten a shout out from Cointelegraph, and not just a shout out, a proper explanation of what Evolution Land is all about, which we're actually going to look into now. So Cointelegraph posted the following. Of course, the article is longer, but I'll read the shorter section for you just to understand. The game Evolution Land provides a potential solution to NFT interoperability as a DeFi and NFT cross-chain game leveraged by Darwinia Network. According to the team behind Evolution Land, the multi-chain Web 3.0 world hasn't come yet, but Evolution Land has created one in the metaverse. That said, the game will also operate as a multi-chain NFT gateway with support for multi-chain NFTs like CryptoKitties and Polkapets. The game can be described as a cross-chain business game and virtual simulation. In it, users can buy and sell property, govern their space, grow crops and create buildings, collect and trade NFTs, hire others to help mine elements on their land across 26 continents, each representing a different blockchain. Currently 5 continents exist, including one on Ethereum known as the Atlantis continent and another built on Tron, and the players must abide by governance parameters including a trade tax rate. However, this will be set by the players. I do hope I'll see Darwinia work together with the upcoming 13th auction winner, BitCountry Pioneer, who are focused on the metaverse, and they will be the first Parachain metaverse project on Kusama. And talking about metaverses, Phala Network are now shying away and have announced Phala World, a smart contract based metaverse that secures your privacy with high performance computing. Is it just me, or has the hype switched from blockchain gaming to NFTs and now to metaverses? Is this what we'll be seeing a boom of in the next altcoin season? Could it be it? Is this a sign? And finally, Manta Network have also announced that they'll be launching the details about the Polkadot Crowdloan. I know Kenny, who's in charge of Manta and Calamari, is the troll of the Polkasama ecosystem, but we all like his fun style, and he's got the respect of many in the community due to listening to his community during those rough times for Calamari about holding or not holding an IDO and the max cap issue during the Calamari Crowdloan. That's been it from today's video. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.